I choose to dwell in your secret place. I rest under the shadow of the Almighty. I say to you, Lord, you are my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. I know you deliver me from every hidden trap and from every deadly threat. You cover me with your feathers, and under your wings I find refuge. Your faithfulness is my shield and my protection. I'm not afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrow that flies by day, nor of the pestilence that stalks in darkness, nor of the destruction that strikes at midday. Though 1,000 may fall at my side, and 10,000 at my right hand, it will not come near me. I will only look and see how you deal with the enemy. Because I have made you my refuge, because I have chosen you as my dwelling place. No evil will be allowed to overtake me, and no plague will come near my home. You give your angels charge over me to guard me in all my ways. They lift me up in their hands so that I do not even strike my foot against a stone. With your strength I tread on danger, on the lion and the serpent, and by your power I overcome every enemy. You say to me, because you love me, I will rescue you. Because you know my name, I will protect you. When you call on me, I will answer you. I will be with you in trouble. I will deliver you and honor you. With long life I will satisfy you and show you my salvation.